Well, good Friday afternoon. This is Rich, and before I forget, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope everyone has a happy and safe New Year, and we'll look forward to visiting with you here after the first of the year. The markets ended up on a good note here. We ended up higher, near the highs of the day on corn. March corn unable to quite get to the 650 level, did close up 8.5 cents at 646.5. December corn up 4.25 at 586.25. January soybeans up 11 cents at 1198.5. November beans up 3.75 at 1204.25. March cotton up 0.17 at 91.80. December cotton up 0.02 at 87.84. January rice continues its surge up 35.5 points at 1460.5. March Chicago wheat up 7.5 at 652.75. Kansas City March wheat up 19 cents at 7.17, while Minneapolis March wheat down 5.75 at 8.49.5. The dollar ended the day down about a third of a point. Crude oil 72 cents lower. Gold up $24 an ounce, and the Dow down 67 points. Today's trade, a lot of position evening, a lot of short covering, and you can see, looking at the Commitment of Traders report this afternoon, that the funds were net buyers on the week of corn and soybeans. Pretty good sized buyers in both, and that as they try to get evened up here ahead of the end of the year, ahead of January 12th. USDA report, a lot of big things coming up here after the first, and so that's kind of what's the feature is here. We continue to trade weather in South America. That dry weather certainly has a potential to be a big deal next Tuesday when the markets reopen, if there's no rain and no change in the forecast. So that'll be the big focus here Sunday and Monday, is looking at the forecast for Brazil and Argentina. Well, we certainly hope everyone has a great weekend, and the markets are closed on Monday, and we will reopen at 9:30 Tuesday morning. So we've got a full 3-day weekend. Be interesting to see what happens when we come back. And then January 12th, we have the big USDA January report, which includes the December 1 stocks report as well. So a lot of big things happening here in the next 10 days or so. Have a good weekend. We'll talk to you next week.